This is a very controversial part to technicians. To engineers, it's not that controversial because this is a plastic oil pan. Instead of stamped steel, cast aluminum, they're using high-strength plastics. With this, well, it makes it lighter. But as a side benefit, it also improves the NVH performance of the engine by reducing certain sounds lower down in the engine bay. To service a plastic oil pan, it is critical that you start looking at how torque is used. The fasteners for the drain plug, those typically will not require a torque wrench because they have special locking mechanisms that may take a couple turns before it locks into place and seals it. In other areas, there might be certain bosses on the side used for mounting stuff like the oil level sensor. It is critical that you use the proper torque because if you use too much, chances are it's going to pull out this insert. And if you don't use enough, well, it's going to leak. So just keep these in mind when you're doing an oil change or replacing the pan itself. That these, well, they help to improve the NVH performance of the vehicle, and there's certain service considerations with the drain plug and also the bosses on the side. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.